Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by picking a TTS engine and voice. Choose neural or parametric depending on budget and realism. Once chosen, paste your draft script and mark pauses and emphasis so the voice sounds natural. Make sure to collect all visual assets and a background track now, because syncing is easier when everything is ready. This initial setup reduces rework. It also lets you run quick tests to validate pacing before moving to editing. You generate short TTS samples and listen critically for cadence, pronunciation, and emotion. Once done, import the chosen render into your DAW or editor to remove artifacts, normalize levels, and add subtle processing so the voice sits in the mix. Then align audio to your timeline. Use waveform peaks to place cuts and fine-tune timing by a few frames, because precise sync keeps lips, captions, and visuals believable. Make incremental saves as you edit. You export a high-quality master and a compressed delivery file after a final pass. Make sure to watch the full video and listen on different devices. Captions must match speech timing. If something sounds off, re-render the problematic lines with adjusted pitch or speaking rate, or use slight EQ to tame sibilance. If sync slips, nudge audio by frames or re-export segmented clips. One troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, regenerate smaller segments rather than the whole file to
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.